Welcome to 1265 Kensington Drive. The nearby city of Ann Arbor is packed with great opportunities. As a cultural center for not only Michigan, but for the entire Midwest, Ann Arbor's lively art scene features exceptional musical and theatrical options, as well as some of the region's best visual arts opportunities at the University of Michigan Museum of Art, or every summer at the acclaimed Ann Arbor Art Fair. Coupled with the city's commitment to the arts is their commitment to the enjoyment and stewardship of its incredible park system, where you can explore countless natural areas, float along the Huron River, or get involved in a wide variety of individual and team sports.